Lower. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Brett, your turn. What we got?
We're in Arizona.
We made it to Scottsdale, Arizona. After a long 6-hour drive, I'm just over it. I'm done. We have no idea what we've planned for this trip here in
Honestly,
Arizona.
just gonna wing it at this point.
Yeah, so
it's a surprise for you and it's a surprise for us. It's 100 degrees and it's very hot and I'm wearing a sweatshirt and leggings.
So stay tuned with us and see how we last for this last week in here and New Mexico. That's nice.
We tried to go to this place called Dobbins Lookout, but it's temporarily closed for renovation, so now we're just kind of doing our own thing. Hiking and finding our own little lookouts.
I can deal with it, bro. Guys, how's it going? We're in South Mountain. Apparently,
Phoenix, Arizona.
we have a lot of places on our list that are closed, so we're just gonna have to wing it. So we're still having fun. Sun is up and it's hot in Scottsdale and Phoenix. All right, see you guys.
Okay guys, we are at,
Literally, it's called a hole in the rock because of that. But there's a hole up here that's actually the most important one, and he told us that
the Hohokam built that over there so we can tell time, which is really cool. Right over here. You can see that. I'm putting it the wrong way. This way.
Yep. So there's a fun fact for you.
That's
So
where
you
we
learn something.
We learn something every day. But this has a cool view. It's near Tempe. Correction, Tempe, in Arizona, right outside of Phoenix. And it's a great place to just 0.3 hike up.
It's super easy.
Don't do it in the heat, but
No, it's very hot.
yeah. Other than that, enjoy our adventure.
Bye. Say hi to Mia in the back. She's crouching. But I also just remembered, he also told us too, supposedly if you stand in this light, you will feel positive energy. Don't know how accurate that is, but that's what he told us, so I'm gonna go with it. What do you think, Mama P?
That's good.
Approved.
Well, good morning, everyone. We're back. And we are at Slide Rock. We drove 2 hours all the way to Sedona. It's really lit. Take a pic. Ooh. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's kind of like mini water slides, I guess you could say.
The
But
water is freezing.
I did it once and say I did it, but the algae makes it really slippery and it's really fun. Everybody's doing it, young kids, adults. Mama P did it. So I think everybody should just come here during the summer times when the heat is shining,
Water's
and
already cold, so
yeah, it's a nice way to cool down. It felt like needles,
Super
honestly, for
fun
me, and I died a little bit. But it's fun.
recommend.
Join us. Bye.
I was already slipping, dude. How do you feel? I'm shaking, so cool. I got wrecked.
I got wrecked. Not wrecked.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, I didn't ask you your question.
It's so cold
Oh.
in the water.
She's just kidding.
How did you like it?
I love it.
Well, hello again. We are done with Sedona. We are heading back to Scottsdale, and then we will be going to Santa Fe tomorrow morning. And that's another 8-hour drive that I will be sleeping throughout the whole entire time.
Are you serious?
She sleeps a lot.
Cut it.